Hello class and welcome to the second part of my game, Walk the Chalk for Perimeter. And the reason, like I stated in the first video, why it's Walk the Chalk, because the children get to walk with the chalk to draw, to write, to create each concept that we're covering in math. It's fun, it's hands-on, they get to practice other skills, highly essential for their learning. They get to write shapes, letters, numbers, perfect their strokes, improve their penmanship, and it's also fun. It's an untraditional way of doing things, and that's what makes it a hit. So this is Walk the Chalk. Ideally, we'll be outside, but I'm in Chicago. It snowed earlier today. The ground is wet, so I'm bringing outside inside. If this happened when I was in the classroom, I have a good masking tape. I can push the desk along the sides of the wall, and I could easily recreate this hopscotch image with masking tape in the classroom, as I do have those liberties given administrative permissions. So, walk the chalk. Each child will be given the opportunity to choose their favorite color. They will have to say the color to ensure that they know the color, and then they will get to drawing each box. This is a simple hopscotch game, something I grew up on. What this also does is give children another mode of playing outside of technology, the video games, the phones, the tablet, good, wholesome, old school games that promotes physical activity and give them the exercise that they need, weather permitted. So I did it on this board because I cannot get it outside. So we have squares, which is also what? Shapes, getting them to draw the shapes, say the shapes, and make them properly. Each square has a number. This is a traditional hopscotch image that I played. You hop to the number, which brings in probability, but we're not doing that right now. You get a rock, you roll it, whatever number the rock rolls on, that's the square that you jump to. But for walk the chalk, this is what I will do. We're going to put numbers on the side to get the perimeter. So from here to here, and we do have a ruler, we can guesstimate or we can get actual sizes. So this is, we'll give them, say if it's a first grade, we'll give them 6 right here. We'll give them a 4 right here. We'll give them 3 right here, and another 3 for the top 8 and 9. They would have to add the perimeter around. We'll give them the same here. And once they add all of the numbers, class will have to write it out. After they draw, each child will not draw their own. This will be a group project. One child will draw the square, another one the number, until it is all completed. For all of them to draw their own, it will have to be a recess period, as it will take lots of time. But let's write this all the way around. Excuse me for turning my back to the camera, but we will have 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 again, plus 3 again. We're going to drop down to go to the other side. Plus 4, plus 6, and equal. The students could work on this together. They can use mental math if they need to break down. And what I mean is do 6 plus 4 is 10. Then another 3, 13, and keep on adding to get to the end. The children may want to draw circles on the ground, and the ground will give them so much more space, and they can work to find the perimeter, as the perimeter is an addition problem to add up all the measurements around. These are not exact. These are guesstimates just for the sake of the board. But outside, if we're doing actual sizes, we can get a tape measure where we can get the full length, and after the answer is found, the students can jump from the bottom all the way up to the number 6, because 6 is the first number in our addition. The next one can go to number 4, We will jump to each spot on the hopscotch game, which is a lot of fun. The children can run and jump to the number, or they can come right up to the beginning of it and jump to the number. They're going to have fun. They're going to want to do it again and again. They're adding, they're writing, they're being physical, they are exercising, and I guarantee they will want to do this again and again. The sky blue at the top, it's the sky. Once you reach the top, you reach the sky. But with this game, you reach the sky when you get the answer correct. Thank you.